Welcome, everybody. This is Dr. Moreno. I'm the professor for Math 1134, and this is an orientation video to help you understand how to navigate through the course. So this is your homepage, and there's a couple of ways to get to the syllabus. So one is to click on this link here, which is an internal link, and then there's the syllabus over here. Also, important is the course map. Both of these are Google documents. So let's go ahead and go to the syllabus. And let me run through the basic structure of the course. So this is an online course with asynchronous instruction. That means we don't meet at all. And you do all your work online. All the resources are provided to you. I need to double check the call number, but obviously this is 2023. You check the call number and the section. I'll do that once this video is over. I do have office hours. You can see me in person, or you can send me a message and we can either meet through Zoom or over the phone. All right, so this course mostly deals with number concepts, and I'll talk a little bit more about what those number concepts are here in a minute when we get to the schedule. There are essentially four components to this class that you'll be working on. We have 6 modules, but each of those 6 modules is made up of 4 components. So for module 1, you're going to be working on homework assignments through Newton Alta. For module 1, you're going to be working on active learning assignments that you're going to do collaboratively. For module 1, you're going to be doing the standards-based problem solving. And for module 1, you're going to be doing the multicultural math. And I have to double check. I actually believe the standards-based is the one we do collaboratively. Yes, the active learning you're going to do on your own. You're free to work with somebody to think through the problems, but you're going to submit that on your own. This one you're going to submit with a partner. Multicultural math is done on your own. And of course, the Newton Alta, which, let me see where I put that on here. Should be under homework. You may need to add that as a section, as an explained section in here. But it is based on this resource section. So it is homework that you're going to do on a regular basis. I will add a small section descriptor on here, just like I have for the other 3 pieces. So it's the Newton Alta assignments, the active learning assignments, the standards-based problem solving, and the multicultural math. And you'll do that for module 1, you'll do that for module 2, you'll do that for module 3, and so on. In fact, if you go to the course map, you could see it there as well. So right now you are in module 1, and you have 3 assignments to do on Newton Alta. You have 1 active learning assignment. You have 1 multicultural math, and you'll have 1 standards-based collaborative assignment. And you'll do that again in module 2. You have your Newton Alta assignments, you have your active learning assignment, you have your multicultural math, and then you have your standards-based. So you have the green, the blue, the brown, and that magenta colored. And that's the same for module 4. green assignments, blue assignments, brown and magenta. Green is Newton Alta, blue is active learning, and multicultural is the brown. Magenta is your collaborative assignment, your standards-based collaborative, and so on. Okay. There is also a midterm exam, and there is a final exam. The midterm exam and the final exam are made up of Newton Alta questions, and then also questions from these other sections. I am planning on adding this additional topics. That's 1 week where I add some extra topics, and I'll explain where those are coming from later, but I want to make sure to focus on the main part of the course at this stage. Let's go back to the syllabus. Again, there's a midterm exam, there's a final exam, and the other component. No, those are basically the main components. My Math 2134 has an additional component that's for general education courses. This is not a gen ed course, so those are the main components. All right, so what are you going to do? How are you going to get started in the course? Well, you're going to go to the modules page, and you're going to go to the problem solving module. You're going to scroll down to, let's say, the very first Newton Alta assignment. We're going to go ahead and click on that. I'm going to see if I can open it over here. When you launch it, you're going to go into the program enrollment page. This is where you'll sign up for the page and pay your subscription. Now, once you get in, you're going to go into assignments, and they're going to look like this. So you're going to be asked a question. You're going to try to answer it. If you need instruction, you click on more instruction. You can watch the video.
Understand and use inductive reasoning.
Hit continue. You're given another problem. And let's see this. I'll just try to answer it here quickly. 2, 4, 8, 16. Looks like everything's doubling. I think the next thing in the sequence is going to be 32. Okay, and then if you get it wrong, I'm just going to guess. Then it gives you some explanation and so on. I will be making some videos to help you understand some of these problems and to support your learning. And I'll start posting those very soon. All right, so once you're done with those assignments, you would be working on these other problems. Now you could bounce back and forth between assignments if you'd like, but the other problem is an active learning assignment, and it's kind of related to the inductive deductive reasoning. There's a problem if you click on this button here, and it's going to open the assignment. And this is the problem that you have to work through. Okay. And try to answer the questions. And there's some resources for it. There is this video that I uploaded, but I'll be looking at these more carefully. So that's what I have so far. I'll be looking at assignments more carefully to see if I need to add other resources while you're working on them. And then the other one is a standards-based assignment that when you do collaboratively. So let me go ahead and open that one. You're supposed to do problem number 47. So problem number 47 is here. I do plan on, again, making a video either to help you with this problem directly, or perhaps doing one of the other problems to help you understand how to approach the problem that you've been assigned. And there's a web page with some further information, some resources within the problem. And then there's a multicultural math. And let's go ahead and open that one. This one comes out of a Claudia Zaslavsky book. Claudia Zaslavsky is an author that she has passed on some time ago, but her curriculum materials were how do you view mathematics from different cultural perspectives, and how do they do mathematics in different cultures. And so we're going to be drawing a lot from her materials. This is a deductive reasoning problem. And so that's what all 6 modules are going to look like. There's going to be your Newton Alta assignments. Then you're going to have your active learning assignment. You're going to have your standard space problem solving and your multicultural math. I try my best to put assignments that are related to each other. So the active learning is a pattern. This one is also a pattern. Those are related to inductive reasoning. And then the multicultural math is deductive reasoning. There's some other things in here, some other concepts. But I try to pick things, well, problem solving, that actually goes also with the standards-based problem solving problem set. So I try to, again, pick things that are related to each other, and hopefully you'll see how everything is tied together. But that's the basic structure of the course. That additional topics week is to make sure that I'm addressing all the topics that you're required to know for being a public school teacher. They used to give a test for teachers. I don't know if that test is still in use. The state of New Mexico has changed, but I wanted to add topics so that that align well with that test. Okay, so that's the basic idea for this course. This is Math 1134. That's your basic orientation video. Let me know if you have any questions.